Oh my gosh, I'm full speed ahead. We are here at Rocky Top Mountain Coasters.
I'm looking at it right now. I'm watching the people go by. It looks pretty cool.
It's 9 minutes long from what I saw on the little description. Yeah, but it's supposed to be a different experience in the daytime and the nighttime. I guess it's all lit up in neon lights, but we're right in the middle of day and nighttime, so we're gonna try to head there and get it on our GoPro.
All right, let's go get in line.
All right, let's go. You don't need your handles until you get to the top. So I am hands-free right now. It is doing everything for me. Here we go. Woo! We got some skeletons over here on the right-hand side. Check it out. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's raining. It's already lit up for at night because they have a neon light experience at night. I just hope it doesn't start pouring on here because it is starting to rain right now. It's raining. Yep, it's raining. I think this is where we can go. Push forward. Oh my goodness. Whoa! I don't know where everyone else is. Oh my gosh, I'm pushing back. Wes is behind me. Okay, it says slow. We're going through a tunnel. Uh-oh, there's someone in front of me that's kind of stopped. Press handles forward to go. Here we go. 80 feet. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa! I've got my handles all the way forward. Okay, stopped again. Oh, please, pull forward. Oh, let's go. Get ready. And go. Where's Wes? Whoa! Oh, this thing is fast. Oh my gosh, this thing goes way faster than Anaki's. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Whoa, we're doing a roundie. Oh my gosh, I'm full speed ahead. Stop me. Oh my gosh. That goes so fast. Oh my gosh, we're so high. Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Oh gosh. So fast. Oh my gosh. Okay. Slow down. Wow, that was so fun.
For a wind-blown look, push those handles forward now.
All right, here we go. Handles down. almost caught up with Melissa. This is a big course. It's crazy. I can hear Melissa. Oh, I got a headlight on mine. Nice. She's gonna come shooting by here in a second. Watch. Oh, I hope I can get it. That's Melissa. Here we go. I caught up with you. Going forward. Okay, that was fun.
I'm gonna tell you right now, that was so fun. That was super fun.
That was good. I felt like I was gonna fly off the track.
I know, me too.
Wow, I am so surprised that I didn't fly off the track.
Oh my goodness.
So they give you your own like hand brakes, and as you saw in the video, like I just let it rip. I pushed them all the way down. I didn't really brake at all unless it told you slow.
It definitely felt like we were gonna fall off the track, especially right above us here. That last stretch
Right
was
here.
pretty intense when you're over the parking lot, but it was Wes's first mountain coaster, so that was a very exciting moment.
It was
to
cool.
Be on the mountain coaster together.
Yeah, that was fun, and I kept catching up to you. I know you probably couldn't tell, but I would catch up to you, and then you would take off down the hill, and I could hear you going woo down the hill, which was making me laugh. That was so funny.
If you're here in Pigeon Forge, definitely stop by Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. It's a 9-minute ride down the coaster. So in the day, you know, you can see the view, it's scenic. But at night, look at this. They have the neon lights. How cool is that?
Yeah, it's
so
pretty
we got
neat.
we got to see a little bit of that in our ride.
The tickets, what was it, about $18 a person?
$18 a person. Yep.
$18 a person, but if you want to ride again, it's $9. So
Yep.
we can jump back in line
Yeah.
right now and ride it again for $9.
And they also have an unlimited pass. I believe it was $50. But again, go check out their website for prices. You can get your tickets online in advance or get them right here.
Travel and Foodie Warrior approved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below to help support our channel.
And we'll see you on the next one. Oh my gosh, we're so high! Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Oh